That might be the best one because Kian finishing off.
Try again, one more time.
Okay, one more time. 3, 2, and action.
Welcome to Willowbrook Farm.
My husband and I started Willowbrook Farm in 2002, driven by our passion for ethical and sustainable living. Willowbrook Farm is the first Tayyib and Halal farm in the UK. At Willowbrook Farm, we try to minimise our negative impact on the environment and to encourage nature and biodiversity to flourish. We wanted to have a clean and healthy life, and this is what we created. We hope this will help encourage others to reflect and to do what they can with the short time we have on the planet. Over the years, we've opened our farm up in many different ways. For a first visit, we always recommend coming to an open day. You can spend the whole day on the farm. We usually have a barbecue with scheduled activities throughout the day. It allows us to really show you the farm and what we do, as well as a chance for you to get involved with seasonal activities and workshops. On other weekends, we are open from 10 to 4, with our farm and cafe available all day. There are no scheduled activities and we will be busy working, as the work never stops with the animals. But you can relax with the sheep and the goats and lambs and enjoy the simple woodland play areas made for children. Our farm shop is also available in the afternoon to purchase some of our unique produce. The main theme connecting all our events is education. We want to show visitors how we farm sustainably. We also offer school and group visits during the week. We can tailor these to each group's specific needs so they can get the most out of the experience. We also welcome volunteers throughout the year to work with us. It's a lot of hard work, but a great opportunity to get the full farm experience. Community is really important to us. It's about working together for a common cause. We have good links with local charities, farms, customers, volunteers, staff, friends, and family. We're always growing and look forward to showing you our home. Hope to see you soon.